My name is Jaime Jimenez. I am from the San Jacinto del Cauca. I see it as a tool to prevent English and passing in the 7th grade student of the Inseparable. Content, theater, research question, general and specific, objective, methodology, type of research schedule, reference, evidence. Affectivity, motivation, and ICT has a strategy to teach English. Research question: how to improve and passive for English in the 7th grade student of the Plácido Retamosa education institution with the implementation of the WIS ICT. General and specific objective. Encourage the use of ICT in the student of the Plácido Retamosa educational institution to improve the teaching, learning process of the English language. General and specific objective are arouse motivation and interest in the inseparable student in the development of the English language through the use of ICT, provide consultation well for a student to develop English language in keys, create a conducive environment where students interact with in the learning and the teacher, thus generating cooperative learning. They are time of free time by using ICT as a feedback and consulting mechanic. Main use of ICT is to instrument the teaching learning process in the use of modern language. Methodology type of research. This proposal has a quantitative approach in seek to weak study coherent and practically to the activity used to find the answer to the problem and the objective segmentually and tabulating reports population. This day is carrying of the municipality of San Jacinto del Cauca Bolívar directed to the student of the educational institution Placio Retamosa 7th grade how are part of the support. Methodology type of research. This work will consider a compilation of some data from the contestant that speak of the methodology strategy for its application in the teaching of the English language and should and not in the different contexts. Recent schedule. The main student to be uh, sheet out at methodological and chronological level at the following. Fair Street and diagnosis will be made on the level of empathy or lack of uh, emotion for English in 7th grade students. School STEAM exercise and activity will be designed in complete and motivation and look for stay avoid second language. There is seen the activity will be carried out the execute in the 7th grade for stick and they table with execute to analyze the presence of a student who improving student motivation and acquiring knowledge for this the forming to the use. With it. Thank you.